Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a big myth, the idea that you need money to make money. It's something I hear all the time, and honestly, it holds so many people back from even trying. What if I told you that your biggest asset isn't cash, but your time, your skills, and your creativity? That's right. Today, I'm going to walk you through 3 powerful side hustles you can start with literally $0. Not a single cent. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building real, sustainable income streams using what you already have. So if you've been waiting for the perfect moment or for that extra cash to magically appear before you start, this video is your sign to stop waiting and start doing. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about digital services. This is probably the fastest way to start earning money without any initial investment. Think about the skills you already possess. Are you a great writer? Do you have a knack for spotting typos and grammatical errors? Maybe you're a whiz with graphic design, or you're super organized and could manage someone's social media accounts. These are all high-demand digital services. The beauty of this is that the only thing you need to invest is your time. You can start by creating a simple portfolio of your work. If you're a writer, write a few sample articles on topics you love. If you're a designer, create a few mock-up logos or social media graphics. Then, you can join freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even just network on LinkedIn. You're not buying inventory or renting an office. You're monetizing a skill that's already in your brain. It costs absolutely nothing to list your services and start pitching to potential clients. Your first few clients might be small, but as you build your portfolio and testimonials, you can start charging more. The key here is to just start. Don't overthink it. Pick a skill, create some examples, and put yourself out there. All right, side hustle number 2 is for the creative minds out there, and it's called print on demand. If you've ever thought, hey, that would look cool on a t-shirt, this one is for you. Here's how it works. You create digital designs. This could be anything from a funny phrase to a beautiful illustration. You then upload these designs to a print-on-demand platform like Printful, Printify, or Redbubble. These platforms integrate with online marketplaces like Etsy or Shopify. When a customer buys a product with your design on it, say a mug or a hoodie, the print-on-demand company handles everything. They print the product, package it, and ship it directly to the customer. You don't have to touch a single piece of inventory, ever. You don't have to worry about buying 1,000 t-shirts that might not sell. Your only job is to create compelling designs and market them. You earn a royalty or a commission on every single sale. You can create your designs for free using tools like Canva, which has a fantastic free version. The potential is huge because you can create hundreds of designs and have them all working for you, earning passive income around the clock. All it takes is your creativity and the time to upload your work. Our third $0 side hustle is affiliate content creation. This one is perfect if you enjoy sharing things you love and find useful. Essentially, you become a trusted recommender. You find products or services you genuinely believe in, and you sign up for their affiliate program. They give you a unique tracking link. Then, you create content around that product. This could be a blog post reviewing a piece of software, a YouTube video showing how to use a specific kitchen gadget, or even just a simple social media post sharing a discount code. When someone clicks your unique link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The best part? It costs you nothing. You're not buying the product to resell it. You're simply referring people to it. The key to being successful with affiliate marketing is authenticity. Only recommend products you truly stand behind. Your audience needs to trust your recommendations. You can start a free blog using platforms like WordPress.com, or create content on social media platforms you already use, like Instagram, TikTok, or right here on YouTube. You're building an audience by providing value, and your affiliate links become a natural way to monetize that value. It's a win-win. Your audience gets a great recommendation, and you earn a commission for the referral. So, there you have it. 3 completely different side hustles: digital services, print on demand, and affiliate content. And not one of them requires you to spend any money to get started. The common thread here isn't a financial investment. It's an investment of your time and your consistency. These aren't overnight successes. You have to be willing to put in the work, to learn, and to keep going even when you don't see immediate results. But the barrier to entry has never been lower. You don't need a business loan or a rich uncle. You just need a skill to share, a creative idea, or a passion for helping others. Stop letting the "I don't have money" excuse hold you back. Pick one of these ideas that resonates with you and take the very first step today. That could be as simple as signing up for a freelance platform, creating your first design in Canva, or writing down a list of products you love and could review. Start small, stay consistent, and watch what happens. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this gave you the spark you needed to get started on your own income-generating journey. If you found this helpful and want more realistic ideas for making money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Let me know in the comments which side hustle you're most excited to try. See you in the next one.